Hello, welcome to the lecture. In the previous lecture, we were doing the functions of organization culture and we have looked into the levels of organization culture. In this lecture, we are going to look at the components of organization culture. Right? So, organization culture reflects the unique personality and identity of a particular company. It defines how the employees are going to behave in the organization, how they are going to make decisions in the organization, and how that is going to align with the organization goals and objectives. So, let us look at the primary components of organization culture. First, under this, we have values. Right, first we have values. So, values are the core beliefs and principles that guide an organization, operations, and decision making. Right. So, values, what are these? Values are the core beliefs, the basic beliefs and principles that is going to guide an organization operations, how the operations of the organization will be done, and what is the way that decisions will be made in the organization. So, they represent what the organization considers important and provide a sense of purpose. Now, what is the role of value in the organization culture? Values form the foundation of an organization culture. It influences its vision and mission, and it looks into how the strategies are being made in the organization, the procedures that are being followed for accomplishing the task in the organization. They act as a moral compass which is going to shape the ethical behavior and guide all the employees of the organization and the actions of those employees in the organization. For example, Google, as we know, they value innovation and creativity. So, employees who are working over there are encouraged to experiment with new ideas, to think about creativity, out of box ideas, even if they fail. This will develop a culture of continuous improvement, and if the employees fail, then again they will work hard, and that will lead to advancement and their increase in performance level. Likewise, a company like IKEA, which values sustainability, integrates this into its product design, then it integrates its into the supply chain and operations of the organization. All this will promote the environmental responsibility. Next component of organization culture is beliefs. Beliefs are the assumptions, the perception or convictions that are held by an organization about how things should be done or how the world should operate. Like there are certain beliefs that this thing has to be done in this manner, or certain belief that product has to be made in a sustainable manner. So it is the core belief, the faith of a particular organization. So these beliefs are often unspoken and these are subconscious. This has not to be thought of and then acted upon. These are subconscious and instilled in the minds of the employees. So, what is the role of beliefs in the organization culture? So, beliefs shape how employees are going to think and act in a particular organization. That is going to create a shared understanding within all the members of the organization. So, this is going to influence the attitude and expectations of the employees that will drive the important decision making of the organization, and that is going to develop behavior and habits across all the teams of the organization. For example, Amazon believes in customer obsession. So, they believe that the customer should become obsessed while taking the products from the organization, or while using the Amazon platform. So, this is going to drive its focus on quick delivery of the products, then seamless and smooth user experience, and customer satisfaction will be at the top priority for these employees, and the people should be satisfied after purchasing the products from the organization. Another example would be of Starbucks. So, the belief which is being followed in Starbucks is fostering a sense of belonging, which translates to respectful interactions in between the employees and the customers, and that creates a welcoming environment, a welcoming ambience for the customers who visit or get the service from Starbucks. Next component of organization culture is norms. So, these norms are the unwritten rules and expectations that govern the employee behavior in a particular organization. These norms develop from shared experiences and cultural practices which is being followed. The beliefs, the culture which is being followed in the organization. So, norms, what is the role of norms in the organization culture? Norms ensure that there is consistency in how the employees behave in the organization, how they make expectations. All these make clear expectations. Norms makes clear expectations that how the employees will behave in a particular organization, what will be their way of conduct in that organization. They promote workspace dynamics like teamwork, communication, collaboration. So, in an organization like Apple, a norm might be working extra hours to ensure that the product which is being produced is of an excellence quality and there is timely launch.